Did you know Murray Clutchburn? Murray Clutchburn plays a race car that used to compete for the Sputter Stop team in the Piston Cup Racing Series, wearing the number 92. He began his athletic career in the 1984 Olympic relay race team that won gold. In the 2017 Piston Cup season, Sheldon Shifter eventually replaced him, which proved to be a watershed moment in his racing career. Murray is known for his traditional appearance, and he occasionally sports the distinctive exhaust sideburns that made him so popular with the ladies back in the day. He began his sporting career as part of the 1984 Olympic gold-winning test track relay event team. The Olympic momentum catapulted him into mainstream professional racing and a prosperous the Piston Cup Series career. In cars, Murray races in cars during the Dynaco 400 event at the Motor Raceway of the South. This was the penultimate race of the Piston Cup season. During the race, he was involved in an accident that involved nearly all of the racers and was caused by Chick Hicks, in which he wound up on his roof and was slammed by Ralph Carlo. He was able to continue racing and eventually won the race. He competes in the 2016 Piston Cup season in Cars 3 against various next-gen racers. He can still be seen racing at the Los Angeles International Speedway before retiring and being replaced by Sheldon Shifter, a next-generation racer. Physical characteristic: Murray Clutchburn drives a stodgy Suave EX stock car with light-year racing tyres and cars. His eyes are blue and his livery is a dark teal green with orange motifs on his hood, roof and doors. The Sputter Stop emblem is painted on his hood and the number 92 is painted on his roof and doors. He also sports a black grille, an orange spoiler and black rims. Murray's appearance changes dramatically in Cars 3 because he is now a Capital Motors Mark II, the same model as Cal Weathers and the returning car racers. Murray's paint job in Cars 3 is similar to the first films, with the main alteration being that the number 92 is now behind one of the headlights rather than on it. If you want to know about Bravo and Echo's supporting roles in the animated feature film Planes, then click on this video right now.